ABCD is a square. 1 point on each of AB and C. So I am first drawing a square ABCD. So this is ABCD. So 1 point on each of AB and CD. So I am drawing a point like this, and here also 1 point, and 2 distinct point on BC and DA. So BC I am taking 2 points, and AD also I am taking 2 points. Now how many distinct triangles can be drawn using any 3 points as vertices out of these 6 points? So total 6 points are here. We need to draw triangles. So how many triangles are possible? So here, even if the question doesn't speaks about any square or rectangle, whatever it is, if I have many points in a plane like this, okay, I have many points, like for example here 1 2 3 4 5 6 points are there. I need to draw triangle. So for triangle I can take any of the 3 points, because for drawing a triangle I need 3 points, right? 3 vertices will be there. I can draw a triangle like this. If I take other 3 points, if I take these 3 points, I can draw a triangle like this. So if you are given n number of points in a plane and you are asked to find out how many triangles you need to draw, then you just need to select 3 points out of the total given points. So here total 6 points are there, and you need to select 3 points out of these 6 points, right? That's it. So the answer will be 6C3, because you need to select 3 from 6. So the answer is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. So the answer will be, so you can cancel 3 factorial here, you will get 4 into 5 into 6 divided by 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. So this is 6, this is 6, answer is 20.